Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Vietnamese traditional New Year is coming. There are many dishes that cooked to celebrate a new year. The Vietnamese chicken stew with beans is one of them I want to share with you in this video. It is colorful and the meal tastes delicious. The main ingredients for this meal: 2 chicken legs 550 grams, carrot 150 grams, 2 onions 150 grams, a shallot 40 grams, a tin cannellini beans in water. The beans are 230 grams, a tin kidney beans in water. The beans are 230 grams. Chop the shallot into slices. Please refer to the detailed ingredients for this meal in the description of the video below. I use a stone mortar to crush the shallot like this to marinate the chicken. This method helps the chicken to have a better fragrance instead of finely chopped shallot. Chop the chicken into 3 pieces. This helps the chicken to absorb the seasoning easily and evenly. The chicken pieces should not be too small. They would become mushy during the cooking process. Put in 1/3 of shallot, a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning powder, fish sauce, and ground black pepper. Mix them well and leave them to stand aside at least 20 minutes. We will be very happy if you give this video a like, a subscribe, and share this to your family and your friends. Chop the carrot into small pieces about 6 cm length. Shape them into fine bento flour slices like this to make the meal more beautiful and appealing. Chop the onions into pieces. Put the wok on the hob. Turn the hob to medium heat. Put in some oil, not much, just enough to salt the chicken. Gently rotate the wok to spread the oil on the bottom of the wok evenly. Turn the hob to the low heat. Put the chicken in. When the chicken becomes light golden, I flip them over to salt the other sides. You do not need the chicken to be cooked completely, just salt the outer of the chicken. This method makes the chicken keep their shapes and their flavor during the cooking process. I now mix a tablespoon of cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water. Mix them well. This mixture will make the stew thicker later. Anyway, I want to share with you the spices that I use to cook our meals. These are sold in the local shops in the UK, so the amount of spices I use here might change if these cannot be found in your local shops. The chicken is golden now. Take them out of the wok. The outer layer is cooked. The inner is still raw. Put the carrots in and salt them for 1 minute. Just keep about 1 tablespoon of oil in the wok. Put in the remainder of the shallot and salt them over medium heat until it smells good. Put the tomato ketchup in and stir. Put the chicken back in and stir them well to absorb the flavor from the tomato ketchup. Add the carrots. The onions will be added later. Pour in 500 ml coconut water. Now the kidney beans, the cannellini beans. You can use any kind of bean you prefer. The beans are soft, so I put them in the liquid gently, or they would become mushy. Add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. A teaspoon of seasoning powder can be added if you prefer. When it boils, turn the herb to the low heat and stir the mixture for 20 minutes. This can be stirred longer if you prefer. I now add and separate the onions layers. Add the cornstarch liquid. Turn the herb to the low medium heat to make the stew boil again. In the meanwhile, I check the softness of the carrots as I prefer, ensure that the chicken is cooked. I now scoop into a bowl. It looks beautiful and appealing. It is now enjoyed with bread or rice. Please cook and enjoy this meal with your family and your friends, and let us know how it goes for you and your family. Thank you for watching.